This video shows how to buy shares of Vicarious Surgical Inc., a surgical robotics company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker RBOT. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker RBOT to locate Vicarious Surgical Inc. Verify the result matches the NASDAQ listing and the company name before opening the asset. On the asset page, review the short company description and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker is RBOT to ensure it's the correct stock. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you wish to buy, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending instruction, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the order completes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for the example eToro link if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.